Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego Maximum Garuda. First off, you're going to need a 2x8 and a 1x4 plate. Put it on top like that. Do that 2 times, so you have 2 of them. Then get a 2x4 brick and a 1x6 plate and clip on. You need 2 of those too. After that, you can get a 2x4 and put a tile that is 2x2. I just put 2 1x2 tiles. You need 2 1x4s bricks. But first, I'm going to start off with the base now. Here, you need a 6x6. You'll be able to see the side, so I'd suggest putting yellow, but I don't really have any yellow plates. So first, I'm going to take the yellow 2x8 with the white and place it on. Place another on the opposing side. Place your white 2x4 and then another through the opposing side. After that, put your 1x4 bricks on the opposing sides, facing yellow. Then put your tile and plate in the middle. Then after that, you can place a 4x4 plate. Get a blue piece and wrap it around it. Wrap it around the 4x4 plate. So like this. I should do it like this so I hold my plates. Keep doing that. Then you should have it looking like this. And like I told you, you can see this part, so I suggest using yellow. Now, for the flugel, I just put a 2x2 brick and the pin with an axle on one side and a regular pin side on the other. Put that in. Then connect it to the bottom in the center. And that's how you make Maximum Garuda out of Legos. So I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and like if you want. I'm just doing it for YouTube, not for money. Because I love making new Legos, Beyblades, so check them out. And I'll see you in the next video.